Once a new booking's been created, you'll receive a summary email, and then your customer will receive a confirmation email. So when you log into your Rezgo dashboard, you're going to see a new booking appear in the new bookings spot here. You can also check it on your bookings page. So you can see a brand new booking came through. So we can just click on it to pull up the booking details. So as you can see, a waiver signature is needed, and also that the customer has planning on paying us by check. So we will need to reconcile this booking. If you have a payment gateway attached on your website and the client paid by credit card, it would come through as already paid. But in some cases, we need to reconcile it on our own. So to do this, we'll click on Add Transaction. And then you want to select the payment type. So check is one that we've added as a manual payment method. So if you have questions about that, please let us know. But it's already added, so it will show up in the menu here. We'll enter the amount owing, and then any kind of ID number, any thing like that that you want to add, any comments, you can. And then we're going to click on Enter. So you can see here, there is a history of, you can see who added that payment, and then you can see that the balance is now 0. So then the next step you'll want to do is you'll want to set the status from pending to received. And there is a way in your settings to automatically change it to received once payment is applied. And again, if you have questions about how to do that, you can let us know. But right now, we're going to do it on our own. We want it to be manual. You'll want to notify the customer about this change, and then we can change it to received. And now you can see there's 0 balance, it's received, and the customer has been notified that that has changed. Now with canceling bookings, if this booking needs to be canceled, you can do that from this booking page as well. And it's the same thing. From Set Status menu, you're going to click on this one here, and then we can just change it to canceled. And again, we want to notify the customer of this change here. You can enter a reason. We can just say this is a test booking if you're making test bookings, or you can maybe say cancel due to weather, or any comment you want to enter in. We'll just put OK there. And then an important note, though, this step does not actually refund the customer. So refunding the customer is always going to be a separate step from just canceling. And so we have some information about how to refund, especially with credit card refunds. We can help you out with that if you need. But just again, remember, refunding is a separate step. So once a booking has been completed and the date is passed, you may want to archive the booking. You may not want it to show up in your bookings list anymore. So to archive the single booking, go to your bookings page, and then we can just click on these dots and select Archive. Are you sure? And we're going to say yes. You can also archive multiple bookings by just selecting all of them. If we had more, we could select the whole list. We can also click this one if you want all of them archived. And then if you want to have a look at all the bookings, including your archive, you can just click this button here. So if you have any questions about any of this or anything else about booking management, please let us know.